he just closed the door and now just even threatened the office bearer of the vice chancellor.
We are not threatening them. We just said, please come out.
Why it is? Why it is?
School na po university.
University. First open the gate. I am ready to discuss with the student. But first
Hadin bagi rekod ke KSU Nehu ringkat bagi samla pule jang kene ke skul ba kila khang talai ko office jong VC hakabana kalyang VC ru klem yo lat shu bandrung shako office jong u ondaw la poi Khyrdop office jong u nakalyang ke KSU ru klapen e betriang ba kample satya Henry na u de ban Ïakren Beit habar office halor ki mat Kaba ki dawa kani ke jingkhang tala ke KSU ke de hadin panakalyang ke office UVC kamla ban pun urlong ki shikong ki mat jingdawa kabakila bu la katu kat ni por menshwa nakalyang UVC haga baningkong lapen e betriang ba tre satya ban Ïakren ba kini ki samla pule habar ko office jong u limda ki ple shwai ko office jong u Henry hadin ba kini ki samla kim snap satya ya ke e la ong haga ba khadu uhap ban Ïakren bat ki ban snap ru ya ke e ka ba ki dawa
Demands are already under process. So we want those processes to be
another thing is transportation is already PRO cleared. But tender and I want you already sick. It is admitted in some hospital. That is taking some time. Health issues already completed. Approval and other. Already, yeah. Before 15 days.
But most of the time they are suffered, you have to buy the medicine from outside.
No. Actually, this is the only thing. He knows all the things. Even you can discuss it. Small expenses with the bureau. He know all the things.
We have other issues like the maintenance of the hostel.
Yeah.
I know the maintenance of the hostel.
The difficulties, for example, difficulties like in every department, like there is lack of faculties, teaching staff, and then they are like every year, every 6 months or every academic year, they try to recruit contractual. So this problem is like every 6 months or every academic year. So why is the problem with the administrator to appoint or to recruit them on a permanent basis?
Regular appointment of the processor. You cannot overlook the process. I need to look all the things.
On the different in the presence of the head of the department and different schools. This is the system. We cannot overlook the system. No? If I am just going to overlook the system, it can again raise the question.
Try to listen, sir. See, it's almost 2 months the class has started. Can go to every department. You will see that some students or some classes they have missed those on some papers. They have been not taught until now. So there is why there is a delay. Like what is the main reason for the delay in that delay of recruiting these lecturers?
No, actually, contractual appointment of the contractual are already completed. Completed, yeah. That's why make a system in the university.
So you can give us in writing that it's already done, like because in most department that there are no lecturers.
No, actually, maximum department, the contractual appointment is depend on the dean of the schools. I already given all the permission and whatever the things are required. Already given, not today. I think before 15 days. To complete the contractual lecturer recruitment in time. And somebody, before that there is no. I just made a new system for the appointment of the contract lecturer, and everything already available on the net. In website also, anyone can see.
See, sir, but most of the department there's no lecturers, sir. As of, if you are aware of it.
Contractual lecturer, appointment, contractual lecturer. For the regular appointment, the procedure is already up till date. The screening is already started.
Screening, I think, is done on 1 of February.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, the screening was done.
No, screening. Actually, advertisement. Last date of the advertisement, I think 1st April, like that. It was extended to the March also. Yes. How can you screening and other be done in the February?
These are like this, those officers that those fall under the category of Group A. They are most of them they are in charge. Why Why is the problem? What is the lack of the administrator in appointing the permanent post?
All of you know this is not a one-day problem. No?
Yeah, we understand, sir. But the president nominees, I think they have the proposal. They have
Yeah,
said
I
it.
received the proposal President Damni. That's why I am in position to conduct the interview of the lecturers. Okay. I think within 2 to 3 months, I would like to complete. No, contextual appointment is already over. Or maybe 1 or 2 or departments is not going to over. The maximum thing is already over for the contextual appointment. For the regular appointment, the process is already going on. For the appointment of the OST, screening and all the things are already completed. Going to fix the date of the interview. But there is a procedure, no, there is a time gap also in the procedure. No? I think either October or before the November or before the completion of the extension date of the OST.
So if you happen to see in the health center,
Yeah.
health center,
Yeah. I already visited the health center.
you can visit it again, sir.
Yeah.
You can go and you can come visit it again. There is a lack of medicine. When students came for see, sir.